Welcome, everyone. I'm Myra Pulowski, Vice President, North America Applications, CX Alliances, speaking with you from San Diego today. I am very pleased to recognize some remarkable achievements by our CX SI partners. Each of them has made tremendous impact on our customers, and today we're celebrating the Markie Awards and will announce the winner of the Game Changer Award for the CX SI Partner of the Year. Before we get started, I want to congratulate all of our finalists for the Game Changer Award for CX SI Partner of the Year. This award celebrates the business transformation that made the most impact for a customer in terms of financial, emotional, and analytical impact. Let's take a deeper look into why each of these companies caught the attention of the judging panel. Our first finalist is Boxfusion, who had an impressive track record of delivering the most complex CX projects with great success, on time and on budget. This is the reason why they have a 96% client retention rate. They push the boundaries of what's possible, whether it's integrating chatbots with CX apps or extending their apps with bespoke cloud extensions. The challenge for Panasonic was bridging their business gaps and accelerating their digital transformation across their CX solution portfolio of sales, service, and marketing. Boxfusion provided a leap forward in design, providing near real-time information and significant enhancements of this customer experience. This resulted in a 133% increase in deal registrations, 600% increase in e-learning submissions, and 63% reduction in the average time for opportunities to convert to deals. In addition, they significantly improved the user interface and increased brand engagement. Our next finalist is Amberleaf Partners. With over 1,700 CX implementations, including 93 new statements of work in 2019 alone, Amberleaf offers a unique blend of strategic and technology consulting to provide robust, easily maintainable, cross-channel relationship management solutions. ATS presented Amberleaf with their challenge. This was to grow their business by $400 million in 3 years. Between Oracle CX breadth and depth of integrated capabilities that focus on the most impactful areas of customer service, sales, field service, CPQ, and e-commerce. Together with Amberleaf's acumen for integration of these solutions, they had no hesitation meeting ATS's challenge. This resulted in enabling field service teams to streamline their management of work orders and resource allocation. Field technicians were empowered to receive work assignments, prepare for work trips, and track work activity. Mobile capability was introduced to view customer product, inventory, and knowledge details while on site. Ultimately, the solution was packaged as the integrated customer experience. Our next finalist is SoftClouds. Their mission is elegantly simple: redefine customer experience. They achieve this by providing their customers with the best user experience, which results from combining Oracle technologies, innovative solutions, and flawless execution. With industry solutions for almost every vertical, from airline to automotive to industrial manufacturing, they bridge the technology gap and make the process as efficient as possible. Their customer, Razer, wanted to transform the way people play games and engage with other gamers. Tired of price increases, product limitations, a broken RMA process, and inefficient agent UI, Razer came to SoftClouds and Oracle to find a solution to meet their customers' needs. To do this, they implemented Oracle Service Cloud to streamline their data warehouse, payment processing, and shipping systems. They enabled self-service through call, email, web, chat, and social channels to achieve seamless agent and customer experience, and strengthened the quoting, payment, and shipping process. Their transition from Salesforce to Oracle Service Cloud was painless, and the results: 100% reduction in operational costs, 100% elimination of manual processes, and happy employees, increased client satisfaction, and overall better quality service. Apex IT is our next finalist. Their mission is to help customers do CX the right way, to provide real business results, translating to happy Oracle customers who are great references, and renew and expand their programs every year. Some of the projects that Apex IT worked on last year include McAfee, Keurig Dr. Pepper, Veritas, Scholastic, and Ticketmaster. In McAfee's case, they needed to undergo a full system transformation of their global B2B and B2C customer support organization, migrating from a 10-year-old legacy CRM on demand and Siebel platform to Oracle Sales and B2B Service, Oracle's digital customer service, and Oracle's VBCS SaaS technology for the portal experience. This Oracle solution provided significant improvements in customer and agent experience through simplified automated workflows, visibility to managing service levels through real-time reporting and alerting, and improved visibility and access to customer information within the application. The key benefit achieved include migration from Siebel to Oracle CX Sales with a hardware savings of over $1 million, and they transitioned their global service organization onto a new platform. This ultimately put McAfee in a single platform technology to continue to build on, replace other applications, and have a much lower total cost of ownership over time as McAfee continues to expand on this foundation. Accenture is our 5th finalist. Accenture has developed a vision to help winning businesses to constantly innovate, drive sustainable growth, and lead with hyper-relevant experiences, and it's working. They are the ideal partner for end-to-end transformation and innovation. Their unique blend of businesses work together, providing their customers around the world with connectivity, technology, entertainment, news, advertising, and more. Accenture was asked to enable a major transformation for lead management at a large US telecommunications company. The client wanted to significantly increase the volume and quality of the leads from the lead management system in order to increase revenue by improving sales opportunities. The client's lead management system served over 11,000 sellers with 1.2 million marketing qualified leads to SMB and strategic account sales representatives annually. They faced fragmented communications across marketing and sales channels, which led to inconsistent customer experiences, several one-off campaigns, manual execution and targeting sub-segment populations, fragmented and incomplete data for building campaign segments and providing insights to sales, delays in engaging with interested customers due to a lack of single customer point of view. The solution was CX Infinity, feeding a real-time customer behavior data from the customer's business website to support real-time personalization efforts. This resulted in a stabilized CDM as a customer master holding over 100 million records with very complex data schema, as well as a system for qualified leads to deliver to the 11,000 plus sellers weekly versus monthly. Deduplicated 60 million contact records and 50 million account records, created new processes for assembling the necessary sources required to create a complete customer view, and significantly reduced the data ingestion process by building ETL rules directly with CX Unity. This was an enormous undertaking by Accenture, resulting in great success for the company. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, I have the winner of the 2020 Markie Game Changer CX SI Partner of the Year goes to Accenture. Congratulations to Accenture for the great work you did at this large US telecommunications company. The transformation that you did was outstanding, and we are so excited about the work that you're doing with your customers in CX Unity. This was really truly the first customer master with both prospect and live customer data in one source, and improved operational efficiency in building marketing campaign segments. We're very excited about all the solutions that you've delivered there, including CX Unity, Customer Data Management, Eloqua, and CX Infinity. Congratulations to the team at Accenture and to all of our finalists.
Wow, thanks Myra. We're honored to be selected as the winner of the 2020 Game Changer CX SI Partner of the Year Award. Fundamentally changing the way our clients approach customer experience is something that Accenture takes pride in. We're always looking for new ways to drive impactful change for our clients, and Oracle's been a great partner for us in developing the technology platforms that enable us to deliver innovation in the market. We'd really like to thank our clients specifically for having the vision and the courage to look beyond established norms and for working with Accenture to differentiate themselves from the crowd. Special shout out to our hardworking Accenture colleagues that have worked tirelessly to deliver on that vision. And finally, to our friends at Oracle who worked to help bring these innovative solutions to life.
On behalf of Accenture, I'd like to close by thanking Oracle for making great cloud products and for investing in a true cloud partnership model that brings value to our clients. And to our clients that have allowed us into your hearts and minds to co-author your cloud successes, we thank you, we love you, and we look forward to supporting your next strategic initiative. Thank you.